In this video, I'm just going to go over one of my favorite little widgets, and it's a new widget in the system, and it allows you to pull snippets from other pages and load them in as a slider. The example that I'm going to use for this is creating a testimonial slider, where you can have a testimonial page and have those quotes appear on a homepage. Let's have a quick look. I'll go to my recently created testimonials page. So in essence, how it will work is we can create a testimonial here and then duplicate it and go through and add all our testimonials and then have it load on the home page. The benefit of doing it this way, or the way that I like it, is that you can basically kind of craft or format your own testimonial in a nice way and then basically just have it load on the home page as well. So in this case, we might add a name to our testimonial here. I also might do something like this, where basically we can just say, okay, here's the name. I'm going to bring this up and shift enter to put it on a different line just underneath. If somebody's raving about the product and you want them to quickly go to it, I'm just going to create a link here. So we'll also just drop the font size down a little bit, and then we would link that to the product. We might also want to boost this up a bit, like that, and stick a quote at the top. So the way that I generally approach this is I get a look for my testimonial that I like, and then I'll just basically, if I need a new one, just duplicate it. Let's just duplicate, for the purposes of this, 4 different versions. And here we go. If we have a look at our testimonials page, looks pretty nice. Now to put it on the home page, we'll go to home. Let's create a new section under here. Center it, add a new snippet. If we go down to sliders, there will be one at the bottom called snippet block slider. Load snippets from another page. So we'll click that, and here we go. So it's got a little bit of code, and it's got some control panel widgets here. So what we need to do is link to our page. So we do just a basic button link here, link to a page on the site. Now note, this is just going to load all the snippets on this page. It's not going to be discriminatory. If you have some other snippets, it's going to pull them in as well. So just keep that in mind. Apply that. So we've got the option of showing page of dots and having it run automatically. I think I did 4 testimonials, so we'll say, hey, let's make it 3 across so we get some sliding. Maximum to show 8, and a little bit of column gap if we like. We'll just leave those for the moment, and let's just save that. And then we'll view our home page. So scroll down. And there you have it. So now they're there, they're loaded, and they're basically just scrolling it in. And the other thing we might want to do if we're creating a testimonials page is just add another link below it, just a button, say like so, and then that's pretty much it. If we have a quick look at that, and there we have it. That's a quick and easy way to create a testimonial slider.